Hello, Shiren Christo. All right. So, students, have you finished with your work from the Bright Book? Have you finished the work on page 42 and 43? Oh no, 43 to 46. Are you done?
Yes, I have. Yes,
Done lah
I'm
ya.
done.
Okay,
I'm
so
done.
Miss,
yeah,
my bright book is missing. I only have my challenge book.
yeah, you may look for it. Maybe it's misplaced.
Oh, aku cari dulu ya, Miss.
Iya, silakan. All right, so in this lesson or in this chapter, we're gonna learn about numbers. So in English, we have two types of numbers. Okay, let me show you the slide. Okay, can you see my slide now?
Still loading.
Oh, okay.
Still loading.
All right. Can you see it now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So there are two types of number in English. We have, oh, it's still loading. Yeah, we have cardinal and ordinal numbers. What's the differences between them? Who knows what's the differences? Yeah. Who wants who wants to answer? Lionel?
Kalau cardinal itu ya 1, 2, 3, 4
Mm-hmm.
selanjutnya. Kalau
Mm.
yang ordinal itu first, second, third, fourth ya.
Yes, exactly. You're correct. Okay, yeah. So the first one is cardinal. Cardinal numbers. Cardinal number say how many people or things there are. Jadi kalau cardinal number itu dia angka yang dipakai untuk ngasih keterangan jumlah. Jumlahnya itu dalam bilangan ya. Dalam bilangan jumlahnya. Misalnya, for example, there are 5 books on the desk. Ron is 10 years old. Ini kan jumlah nih. 5 books, 5 buku. 10 years old, 10 tahun. Jadi kalau untuk nyatain jumlah, kita bisa pakai yang namanya cardinal numbers. Sama seperti ya itu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kayak gitu ya. Itu adalah cardinal numbers. While ordinal number is a number that tells the position of something in a list, such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. Jadi kalau yang ordinal ini dia angka, tapi dia fungsinya bukan buat nyatain jumlah, tapi fungsinya ini nih untuk menyatakan to tells the position. This the position. Oke, ini ya. The position of something in a list. Jadi untuk nyatain posisi ya, urutan dalam suatu daftar, misalnya first ke satu, kalau di bahasa Indonesia itu ya, ke satu, kedua, ketiga, keempat, dan seterusnya. And in ordinal numbers, we add th. Ya, we add th to the cardinal number to form the ordinal number. For example, misalnya cardinal numbernya itu 6. Kita tambahin th atau th, jadinya 6 kayak gini kan. Nah, ataupun kalau misalnya kita mau nulisnya angka. Kalau di ordinal number jangan lupa ditambahin th-nya juga. Nah, tapi ada yang beda, nggak semuanya pakai th. Untuk angka 1, nih, we have exception here. This is the irregular form 1 for number 1, 2, and 3 itu kita nggak pakai th, tapi kalau 1 kita pakainya st, jadinya first. 2 kita pakai nd, jadinya second. 3 kita pakai rd, jadinya third. Gitu ya. Oke. Nah, let me show you the picture here. This. Okay, can you see the picture?
Yes, I can see it.
Yes.
Bisa ya? Sebentar. Tadi kayak ada yang panggil.
Mic on.
Kenapa?
Mic aku, suaraku kedengeran nggak?
Ya, it's clear. Kedengeran. Okay, so this is the differences between cardinal and ordinal number. Jadi ini ya kelihatannya bedanya, kalau 1 di cardinal itu 1, kalau ordinal first, 2 jadi second, 3 jadi third, 4 jadi fourth, and so on, dan seterusnya. Tapi kamu perhatikan juga kalau misalnya dia 20, kalau 20 jadinya apa ya? Kalau 20 jadinya apa?
20.
Iya, kalau 20 kan 20 ya. Nih, okay, can you see the table here?
Yes.
Ya, bisa kelihatan ya. Nah, now look at here. We have 20 here, 20 ya, 20, 20. Kalau ordinal number-nya kan 20, angka 20 ditambahin th. Tapi bacanya jadi kayak gimana sih? Is it 20th atau 20th?
20th.
Iya, diperhatikan. Jadinya kalau 20 itu jadinya 20th. Semua yang puluhan. Basically ini semua yang puluhan. 30 juga. 30 jadi 30th. 40 jadi 40th. 50 jadi 50th. 50th. 60 jadi 60th. And so on. Jadi kalau angka yang puluh itu 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, dan seterusnya, itu jangan lupa di belakangnya itu ada e-nya ya sebelum th. Jadi eth, bacanya tuh jadi kayak eth gitu, gitu ya. Nah, ini juga diperhatikan nih yang ini. Now look at this table. Pay attention to the last number. Misalnya nih 21. Angka belakangnya itu kan 1. Maka kamu pakainya st ya, bukan pakai th. Kalau 22 juga sama, angka belakangnya kan 2. Kamu tambahinnya nd, not th. Pokoknya semua angka yang endingnya itu 1, 2, dan 3 itu dia bentuknya beda ya, bukan th. Okay. Oh yeah, alright. So yeah, I think that's it for cardinal and ordinal numbers. I believe most of you are already familiar with this. Iya kan? Saya rasa semuanya udah familiar pasti dengan ini ya. Paling ya ini jadi review aja. Pasti kayaknya ini di SD udah dibahas. Iya nggak sih?
Udah.
Iya, cuman nggak ada istilah ordinal sama kardinalnya.
Oh, begitu. Iya. Ya, jadi sekarang tahu ya bedanya. Kalau yang angka doang namanya kardinal, kalau yang ada embel-embel di belakangnya itu TH-TH-nya itu ordinal. Okay. So, when do you usually find this kind of form? Ordinal numbers. When do you usually find this kind of form? Biasanya nemu di mana sih kalau kita pakai yang bentuknya ordinal number ini?
Daftar juara gitu.
Yes.
Dia juara.
Ya, you're
Kalau
right.
nggak room.
Yeah, room. Is it room or floor? What do you think?
Floor.
Iya, floor ya. Kalau lantai ya, misalnya SMP Saint John. Where is SMP Saint John located? Is it in the first floor? Is it in the second floor? Is it on the third floor?
Third floor.
SMP itu di mana? 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Third floor kan?
Ya, SMP Kristen Saint John is on the third floor. Nah, kalau misalnya kamu pakai kata-kata ini ordinal number, itu harus didahului oleh kata the ya, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, dan seterusnya. Jangan lupa itu tambahin kata the-nya. Nah, now let's have a look at your textbook. We're gonna check your answers. Sekarang kita lihat ya jawaban kamu. Kemarin PR-nya yang halaman berapa?
Page 43.
43 ya, activity? Activity 4, yes, correct. Okay, now we're gonna check it one by one. So I want you to read it one by one. Student number 1, read question number 1. Sorry, statement number 1, and then student number 2, read statement number 2, and so on and so on. So let's start. Let's start from, since Carol is not here, then we'll start from Christo. Yeah, Christopher. Christopher, please read number 1. Christopher. Christo, hello. Are you with us?
Miss
Yeah,
Evelyn,
Matthew, yes.
page what? What page?
Oh,
What?
page 43. Oh, udah ketemu ya. Finally you found it. Kristo ini nggak ada ya? Ya udah deh. Davin aja, Davin.
Lorenzo won the first prize last tournament.
Okay, Lorenzo won the first prize last tournament. Do you agree, students, that the answer is first?
I agree.
Yeah, why is
I
it
agree.
first? Yes. Yeah, you're correct. You're right. Yeah, but Davin, why is it first instead of 1? Davin, kenapa jawabnya first? Kenapa nggak 1 aja? Kenapa kita nggak pilih 1, Davin?
Karena
Oh lagi tuh.
kalau one tuh kan ya katanya sih Lorenzo menang duluan hadiah dari temennya. Terus kalau pilih one itu satu hadiah di turnamen terakhir. Itu kan banyak.
Iya, betul. Iya betul, kalau misalnya 1 itu untuk jumlah ya, untuk jumlah. Sedangkan kalau ini kalimatnya Lorenzo won the first prize, meaning that Lorenzo menang juara ke-1 kan, juara pertama di turnamen yang lalu. Nah, kalau juara itu kan rank ya, rank. It's like position, right? Itu kayak posisi kan. The first one, the second one, the third one. So yeah, we're gonna choose first in this sentence. Okay, next, number 2. Gerald.
I have 2 pairs of shoes.
Okay, I have 2 pairs of shoes. Agree, students, that the answer is 2?
Agree.
Okay, yes, correct. Gerald, why? Why did you choose 2 instead of second?
Jumlah sepatunya ada 2.
Iya, betul sekali. Jumlahnya ya, karena ini menyatakan jumlah sepatunya, betul. Dua apaan nih? Dua pasang ya. 2 pairs of shoes. Dua pasang. Oke, next number 3. Go Vika.
The food court is on the 3rd floor.
Okay, the food court is on the 3rd floor. Do you agree, students, that the answer is 3rd?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Why is it 3rd?
Karena itu untuk melambangkan lantai 3.
Yes, betul sekali. Nah, perhatikan ya, di sini selalu ya kalau kita pakai ini 3rd cardinal atau ordinal sih? Aduh, Miss lupa. Is it cardinal or
Itu
ordinal?
ordinal.
Yes,
Third
ordinal.
ordinal.
Yes, correct. So when we are using ordinal, remember to use the word the ya, selalu pakai kata the. Jadi ini udah jelas nih, di sini ada kata-kata the-nya. Jadi otomatis kamu pasti pilih yang 3rd, bukan yang 3. Oke, next, number 4. Isaiah. Mana ya? Tadi padahal ada ya. Mana sih Isaiah? Ada kan?
Ada saya.
Iya, ada kok. Ayo Isaiah, nomor ini nak, nomor berapa? Nomor berapa nih? Nomor 4.
There are 4 rooms in my house.
Yes, there are 4 rooms in my house. Betul ya, 4 ya, correct. Karena ini jumlah. Oke, good. Next, number 5. Jefferson. Jefferson, can you speak louder, please? I cannot hear your voice.
Always bring 5 and
Okay, Jefferson, what is your answer? The answer? Is it 5 or 5th?
5 nih 5.
5, yeah, 5. Yes, correct. 5 sandwiches. Karena jumlah ya. Okay, next. Number 6.
Yes.
Ya,
Yang mana sih? Ketemu saya.
yang nomor sekarang nomor 5. Timothy, sekarang nomor 5. Kamu itu di halaman berapa? OMG, Timothy.
Aman.
Tunggu deh. Timothy, kamu salah buku.
Black book.
Bright book.
Timothy yang ini.
Black
Yang ini,
book.
Timothy yang ini. Yang
Dari
bright.
tadi, dari
Ya
tadi Timothy selalu buku dah.
Ya ampun,
Cukup challenge.
Timothy, we are using bright book. Ada nggak bukunya? Pantesan, astaga. Ya udah. Halaman 43 ya. Oke, next. Sekarang number 6. Lionel ya?
Yeah.
Oke, yuk lanjut.
My brother is a 6th grader.
Which one? Is it 6 with TH or without TH?
With TH.
Iya, betul. Yang pakai TH ya. 6th grader. Karena itu kelas ya. Kelas kan tingkatan. Jadi harus pakai what do we call that? Ordinal number. Okay, next number 7. Siapa nih? Oh, Matthew.
Yes. Number 7. Mom always buy 7 loaves of bread.
Is it 7th or 7?
7th.
With TH.
7th.
With TH.
Yes, with
Are you
the
sure?
H.
Are you sure, Matthew?
Yeah, 7.
Is it telling? Is it telling
Oh,
us about
sorry, I didn't
position?
realize.
Yeah. It's
Sorry,
about
I'm
qua-
really sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's about quantity, right? It shows
My
quantity,
bandwidth
right?
is really bad. Can
Yeah,
I
so
turn off my video to increase my bandwidth? My internet has been unstable.
what do you want to
My
turn?
internet was so bad. And can
Yeah,
I
that's
turn off the
fine.
video?
No, that's fine. That's totally fine. That's fine, Matthew. People make mistakes. That's okay.
Dia katanya mau matiin videonya biar internetnya stabil.
Oh, iya ya. Oke, nggak apa. Oke, jadi jawabannya yang nomor 7 yang mana?
7, not
Yes.
the 8.
Yes, correct. 7 ya, yang 7 ya, yang cardinal number. Oke, next number 8. Whose turn is it? Siapa ya? Sabrina. Ada nggak? Is Sabrina here?
Ada Miss.
Oh ya, yuk. Nomor 8.
8x hatched this morning.
8x hatched this morning. Yes, 8. Is it, which one? Which 8? Is it the cardinal or the ordinal number? With th or without th?
Without th.
Ya, without ya. Yang 8 yang biasa ya. Oke, next number 9. Siapa nih? Shiren. Shiren. Is Shiren here? Shiren ada nggak sih? Shiren nggak ada ya? Yaudah, kita skip ya. Stephanie.
This is my 9th trip to Bali.
Yes, ninth trip. Yang mana? 9 with or without th?
With.
With, yes, correct. Ordinal numbers. Okay, next number 10. Steven. Steven itu nggak ada ya? Berarti, Ashley.
Yes. Nomor 9 kan ya?
10.
10.
Yeah.
There are only 10 football players on the field.
Yes, 10. 10 ya, yang cardinal numbers. Correct. Alright. Okay, what about, okay. Let's turn to the next page. Activity 6. Yeah, I think it's I think this one is the easiest one, right? Ini udah tau lah ya. Coba disebut coba. Tiger, can you mention all the answers, please?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, please.
Oke, udah. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yes, perfect. Correct. It's super easy, right? Okay. Anyway, students, how do you say it? Is it Wednesday or it's Wednesday? Wednesday atau Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Yeah, it should be
Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday. Jadi bukan Wednesday tapi Wednesday. Okay. Let's say it together, all of you. All of you say it together. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay, good.
Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay, good. All right. Okay, yuk lanjut. Let's go on to the next part, next activity, activity 7. So in this activity, we are supposed to answer the questions, the multiple choice question, based on the timetable provided. So we have a timetable here, schedule of 7B. Ada jadwalnya ya di sini ya, from Monday to Saturday, from the first periods to the last periods, from 7 a.m. in the morning to 12 p.m., 12:50 p.m. Anyway, students, what is period? Di sini kan ada ya, di tabelnya ada days, ada periods.
Periode.
Nah ya, periods di sini apa sih? Ya, bahasa Indonesia-nya periode, tapi what does it mean by periods atau periode?
Jam pelajaran ya biasa.
Yes, exactly. Jam pelajaran ya. Periods di sini maksudnya jam pelajaran. Makanya kan di sini ada tulisannya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first period itu, the first period on Monday, the students are having flag raising ceremony, right? Jadi kalau jam pertama, hari Senin itu ada jadwalnya, ada upacara bendera. The second and the third periods, the students are having English class. Hari Senin ya. Jam kedua sama ketiga ada bahasa Inggris dan seterusnya dan seterusnya. Anyway, how many periods do we have today for our English class?
2 periods.
2,
I'm
yes.
not wrong.
2 periods. Today we have 2 periods of English class. What about tomorrow? How many periods do we have? What about tomorrow? How many periods do we have for English class? Stephanie, want to say something? That's okay.
1 period.
Yeah, tomorrow we only have 1 period. And what about on Monday? How many periods do we have?
Also 1.
Also 1. So the total periods, how many? How many periods do we have in total for English class?
4 periods.
4 periods, right? 4 periods. It divided by 2, 1, and 1. Jadinya, that's why we only have Zoom meeting on Thursday because we have 2 periods on this day. Only on this day. Gitu. Jadi kalau misalnya hari apa tuh Jumat sama Senin kan kita cuma punya satu ya. We only have 1 period, right? Normally we don't have this virtual meeting if we only have 1 period gitu ya. Jadi kalau misalnya 2 periods, okay, then let's have a meeting. Let's have a Zoom meeting. Tapi kalau cuma satu, ya udah kita belajarnya lewat Google Classroom aja ya. Kayak gitu. Okay. Now, let's go on to the questions number 1 to number 10. Kita lanjut. Berarti sekarang whose turn is it now?
C.
Whose turn? Oh, Timothy ya? Titi. You are called Titi, right? Yeah, I saw it in
Banyak
your video.
panggilannya dia. Banyak
Oh, ya?
panggilannya.
What else?
Titi, tete, teteh.
Oh,
Titi,
teteh.
tete, teteh.
Teteh kayak orang Sunda dong.
Iya. Kadang-kadang manggil tapi jarang. Seringan Titi.
Tapi
Atau
kalau
nggak Titi.
oh gitu. Oke deh Titi.
Jefferson yang bikin tuh.
Siapa Jefferson? Oh. Kalau Jefferson apa dong? What's his nickname then? Do you have any?
JJ.
JJ. Oh. Okay. Yeah, Titi, please read question number 1.
On what days do the students of 7B learn English? C.
Read the statement, please.
On Monday and Friday.
Okay, very good. Yes, correct. It's C, yeah? Okay, next, number 2. Valerie. Valerie, can you speak louder, please?
The students study 3 subjects on Saturday.
Yes. The answer is C, yeah? 3. Correct. Next, number 3. Carol nggak ada. Cristo, are you with us? Cristo, can you read question
Yes,
number
I
3?
think you skip Nathan.
Oh,
I
yeah,
think
really?
skip Nathan.
Oh, really? Oh, I'm so
Yes.
sorry.
Singkat.
Oh, yeah. I skipped it. I'm so sorry. Okay, I think Nathan, you can read it now. Question number 2. Sorry, Nathan.
The students study 3 subjects on
Bukan
Saturday.
nomor 2, sorry salah. Nomor 2 tadi udah si Valerie. Number 3.
When do the students have a guidance or counseling class? D. It's on Wednesday.
Hayo, is it Wednesday atau Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Salah.
Wednesday.
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 Iya. Coba Nathan, say it again. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
There you go. Very good. Yes. The answer is D ya. It's on Wednesday. Okay, next number 4. Siapa nih? Davin. Kristo, deh. Kristo ada nggak sih? Kristo, are you here?
Ada di Zoom ya?
Yeah, I know. Ada namanya kan. But are you really attending our lesson now? Kristo, can you read question number 4?
Or to Crystal.
Okay, no response. Since we don't have any response, then yeah, Davin, you may read question number 4.
When do the students play sports on Tuesday?
Tuesday, bravo ya.
Ya, berapa, Miss?
Do you agree, students? It's on Tuesday.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Sport and physical education is the same here, right?
Yes. Oh yeah. You're right. It's on Tuesday. Betul. Selasa. Okay, next number 5. Gerald.
The students have 4 periods for science.
Okay, the answer is 4 ya. Correct. Number 6. Isaiah.
Has the most periods.
Yeah, what is the answer, Isaiah? A, B, C, or D?
D.
Math. Yes, correct. It's D, math. Okay, next, number 7. Jefferson. JJ.
On what day do the students go home early? 8 on Friday.
Yes, correct. It's on Friday, yeah. They go home at 11 o'clock. How many periods do they have on Friday?
5 periods.
Yeah, they only have 5 periods. Okay, next, number 8. Siapa ya? Oh, Lionel.
In which class might the students discuss the condition of nature? C. Geography.
Yes, it's C, geography. Geography ya, betul. Are you having geography subject?
IPS.
Masuk IPS itu.
Oh ya,
Geography.
Yeah. It's included in IPS ya, social science. Oh iya, nanti kalau dipisah kalau udah SMA ya. Kalau SMP masih digabung. Oke, number 9. Matthew.